with my parents too. Drive down
the road. Hi guys, happy holidays. It's the 24th of December. So I hope everyone is with their family and doing what makes you happy. I honestly wasn't planning on doing anything, but guys, I've been anticipating spending Christmas in Jamaica for almost a decade, and I'm finally here, and this is what I'm doing, locking away in the house, literally thinking of when am I going to sleep, and that's not okay. I need to actually go out and do something. So I am going to Kingston and see if I could meet with my friends and stuff, and also get some content for y'all. But yes, but anyways, I'll see you guys in Kingston. Hi guys. I'm laughing, but nothing is funny anymore, because guess what, your girl is gonna get her nose pierced. Guys, I don't think I remember anything about piercing. The only piercing I have is ears piercing. It's also Christmas Eve, so I'm guessing it's the perfect time, right? So let's go. It's with me, we know I see. You guys can't hear me on.
Let's not hurt it.
Salt water, one. It's hurting.
Let's get this.
One. We can't cut the shoe. Guys, we're getting jerk chicken in the streets of halfway through. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10 of dirty men. Guys, we're gonna eat. Yes, my nose piercing talk to me.
Everybody know what the only first person to do here. Stand up, Lord. We have 100 shot, money get top, gold place get. Now the loss we ain't gonna call. What drive up? What? She said take your time, what's no rush? I said baby I'm a dog, she said take your time, what's no rush?
Guys, so it is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's okay, right? You guys saw from my last bit of videos that I was at the club, and that was fun. But you know me, as a sleepy girl, so I'm the great forgot me at anyways. But I had fun. It's my first Christmas Eve, and I got that nose piercing on Christmas Eve. I finally broke my ducks.
I finally got the nose piercing that I've been saying I want to get. And yeah, today we're going Tropical Lagoon, that's in Portland, to spend Christmas Day. That's where we're having Christmas dinner and all. I'm pretty excited.
To find someone like you, to find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah, baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh,
You could bet that, never gotta see you back.
I'll be the rubber band, you be the match. I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. Keep down, you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the phone, yeah. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I put your pretty little hand in. Even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's even war.
Hi. It's so
This love is short.
Bet that, never gotta see you back. Bet that, never gotta see you back. Bet
don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me push better. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on next up. Be them for let them catch. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, you don't fuck your whole bitch letter. Fuck girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's shut up.
good morning.
Zip up this tight, pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up the grip and get high. Shout it, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, just say
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a lie, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
Guys, the food was so good. Honestly, I couldn't finish it because who eats hard food so early in the morning? A Jamaican, of course. But yeah, nonetheless, I was looking around the building. I thought it was older than the 1980s, but it wasn't, which I was quite intrigued about. It's a nice building though. Love it. Look classical and all. And then we left and we went to the pier to see if we could go on a boat ride, but we didn't end up going on any boat ride at all. We just found something else to do. But stay tuned for that. But look how beautiful Portland is. Like, it's just surrounded by the ocean, honestly. Even though Jamaica is surrounded by the ocean. So, yeah.
If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll give you everything. I just wanna see you win, wanna see you this. I
I trust you, I tell you I won't waste your time, I turn it up just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it up just so I can tell you, baby. Weekends get popping on the low, better days coming for sure.
Ain't no problem, I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment that you just too important? Nobody do body like you do.
So we've been told not to drive down to some beach that my parents want to see for nostalgia, right? An off-duty police officer comes and he's like, yo, don't drive down this road, you'll get arrested. What did my parents do? Drive down the road.
Guys, we didn't get arrested at all. We went back to the Airbnb and took the view in instead. So thank God for that.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me, let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me.
Sheesh, it's Versatile Beats.
Yeah. Oh, so we're gonna just kayak over and then get a ride back.
Kayak.
Yes, TJ. So kayak across.
They have
Yeah, life jacket.
because I
You can't swim.
know. Be careful.
It's okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay.
Just her. Hello.
If we had known that it was
Nice
there,
to meet you.
84-year-olds coming.
So we didn't end up on the boat at all. I mean the other one. We didn't end up on the island at all. But we're going kayaking. I can't swim, so that's why I have a life jacket on. You already know. But I'm excited. The water cold. Apparently it's hot and cold. But yeah. Just can't get over how gorgeous this looks. Honestly, like look how blue the water look. Like, is this real? Guys, I know I should be kayaking right now, but Uncle is carrying us through.
Jermaine, you see the landslide up to our property?
The whole thing came down in the rain. Wow. Yeah. This is so nice. You know what's funny?
Oh yeah.
Guys,
Oh yeah. I mean, you're hundreds of feet.
when you talk about life on edge, this is this building because what?
And that's exactly where we're staying, on that edge.
What?
Yeah, it is.
That's crazy. Honestly.
The retaining wall is nice though.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Guys, so we made it home and my cousins were like, we're going out to eat. So I put on a jumpsuit and they were like, no, I'm too dressed up. So then I had to change out of it and this is what I went for. But anyways, I ended up changing back again. So can you come pick up your clothes? I have been folded. Meet me at the door. Guys, so I had to change my outfit quickly because my cousins are dressed nice, and here I was in shorts and V-neck. I went to Roots 21 with my cousins and I really liked it. The ambience, the food was good, it felt authentic, and it's definitely one of those places you come to when you want good food and a chill atmosphere with the fam. We all had black outfits because the theme for tonight was black apparently, so that was good. What is this?
It's like some Denny's with a make up, like, this is the
Thank you. Wanna put it? I realized that you guys came and used time that this is sausage fritters. Guys, the food came in a pot, a Dutch pot. Isn't that the coolest thing?
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Guys, it's another day at Blue Lagoon. I could get used to this view.
I better find your heart. I better find your
Rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and not chance again. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. Some dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like, flexing on the gram like, hit the little John, okay. Oh yeah, we doing it, we let's game. Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. But when I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blaming all my confidence. I'm blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down. Rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and not chance again. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked.
Guys, for breakfast, it's hard food again with ackee and saltfish and cabbage. And now we have a scenery. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, we
about people guys. So the owner was just telling us how he met like a couple celebrities, so like Beyonce and a few other famous, I think Ashanti, I don't remember, but yeah, he was just telling us some stories about the whole property and the famous people he has met, which is pretty interesting to hear. And it is gorgeous, so I do understand, but for him to meet Beyonce, that is lit.
I tell you what is very popular down here. That's swing on the beat. Yeah, a lot of people always think it's French, man. And when they come, they're like, no, they're the swing. So my friends and I nicknamed it the famous swing. Just attach it to it. Are you leaving your bag?
Guys, I'm recording this on my phone because it is a lot more of us today than yesterday, and I'm scared my camera will fall in, but we're going kayaking again. Yes, Jam! You look like an expert right now. I'm talking to kayaking, Daddy. Guys, I'm with Auntie today. It's pretty Guys, we're currently making our way back. Be careful, I saw that. You know how old this must be? Not even Hurricane Melissa could have lifted that up. Guys, so we're in Buff Bay. I'm on my way back home, but we stopped to get some food. I've heard many stories of Buff Bay actually. I feel like this is my first time actually being in Buff Bay, which is quite interesting. But yeah, we're waiting for some food and everything, you know, so we have to eat. Majority of this vlog was about eating anyways, because I'm a foodie. But so we got cranberry water.
She call me the Godfather.
I'm like you, I want it to me like you. I'm a friend, I'm a shanty, I'm a killer, I'm a boy. Even though you're sexy, you're full of attitude.
Pretty mommy, don't worry, my wife will pack it up. Make me happy whenever you cock it up. In the traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You ain't see me happy, go down me job.
And me say like coffee like we a bounce like that. Shotty rum ram, cup and pot. Quart and quart, we have cup and quart. If you ram for this in a jelly, make it pan clock.
Listen, usually stay to myself, attachments got to pay.
Guys, I just tried some of the chicken and milk up burger now. Guys, so that's a wrap for Portland. We're currently making our way home. I had so much fun. I had the best Christmas holiday. It was so good. And yeah, I will see you guys in another vlog. Bye. I mean, like tremendous. Currently starting my own business in Jamaica, so make sure you follow my journey. Favorite color? I would say black. Black is not even a color, but I'm always in a black. If you know what it is, if you would